Came across a UVA archive file and need to access its contents? This is a compressed archive format from the UVAccess application ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract these UVAccess compressed archive files. Here's a professional insight. For those UVA files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. A UVA file is an archive associated with the UVA Online Judge, a popular platform for competitive programming. Users download these files to access a specific programming problem, which typically contains the problem description, sample inputs, and expected outputs, all bundled into a single package for offline use. The file is essentially a compressed archive, often in a zip or similar container format, despite the UVA extension. This design allows for the convenient bundling of multiple disparate files, e.g. txt, pdf, en, out, into a single portable unit for a specific programming challenge, simplifying distribution. Typically, UVA files can be opened with none created by unknown. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows may show limited details, so full access depends on extraction software. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the UVA file and click Open With. Test None if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If the UVA file won't budge, stay calm. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the UVA file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, opening with UVAccess. Install the UVAccess application and double-click the UVA file to open it directly. The application displays the archive contents with all compressed files and folders listed. Select items for extraction and choose a destination folder to decompress the files, preserving the original directory structure. Next, trying Universal Archivers. Attempt to extract the UVA file with 7-zip WinRAR or pzip, as these tools support many archive formats. Right-click the UVA file and select Open With to test each archiver. If UVA uses standard compression, these universal tools may successfully extract the archive contents. Finally, renaming and testing. Try renaming the UVA file extension to .zip or .7z and attempt extraction with standard archive utilities. If the underlying format matches a known compression standard, the renamed file extracts normally. Otherwise, the format requires the original UVAccess application for proper decompression. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.